Hello, my dear student. Today we will talk about compare and order fractions. First of all, I need from you to open your booklet page 247. Here he gave you some fractions and he wants from you to write more than, less than, or equal. So he wants from you to tell which fraction is big. Let me tell you the rule in easy way. If we have two fractions and the number down is the same, we will look up. Okay? When you look up, the big number is big fraction. Okay? But if we have two fractions like this, for example, and we have up the same number and down is the difference. So when we have up the same number and down different, down, when you look down, the fraction became crazy. What we mean about that? It's mean that we will look for the small number. The small number will be the big fraction. So in the fraction, we have two numbers. Up, it's called numerator. Down, it's called denominator. When you compare between two fractions, if the two numbers in the denominator are the same, we will look up. The big number, it will be big fraction. But when we have two numbers are the same in denominator, we will look down in denominator. And when we look down, the fraction became crazy. That means the small number will be the big fraction. But what if we have two different numbers, like 1/2 and 3/4, for example? If you look carefully here, you will see that the numbers in denominator are different and the numbers in denominator are different. So the numbers in denominator and denominator are different. What should we do here? We will make cross. We will make what? Yeah, we will make cross. How that? We will start from down. We will start from down. The 4 will go to 1 and we will make times. 4 times 1 equals 4. And the 2 will go to 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. So here we have 4 and this side we have 6. So of course the 6 is greater than 4. You get it? Great job. So let's get back for the booklet, page 247. Let's see question number 1. And he make a draw for you to make it easy. Here we have 6/10 and the other side we have 6/10. Well, if we look in numerator, you will see that we have equal numbers. And if you look in denominator, you will see that we still have equal numbers. So the two fractions are equal. Okay, let's see number 2. Here we have 2/10 and the other side we have 3/10. Well, mass, we have here equal numbers in denominator. So that's mean what, guys? That's mean we will look up. And when we look up, it's normal. What we mean about normal? It's mean big number, big fraction. So here we have 2 and the other side we have 3. So 3 is greater than 2. Super. What about the last fraction here? We have different numbers. When we have different numbers, what we should do? Super. We will make cross. We will make what? We will make cross. Super. And when we make cross, the 8 will goes to what? Can you tell me? Great job. It will go to 1. So 8 times 1 equals 8. You will write the answer here. Don't confuse, okay? And the 4 will go to 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. So we have 8 and we have 12. Which number is the big one? Super, that will be 12. So 3/8 greater than quarter. Great job. Let's continue. Now I want from you to open your booklet, page 248. Let's solve some question together. Here we want from you to complete, write more than, less than, or equal. In the first one here we have 1/2 and 1/3. Who can answer this question? Come Come on, guys, you can answer. Okay, I can hear you. Great job. You tell me that. Miss, we have in the denominator the same number, so we will look down. And when we look down, the fractions became crazy. That means small number will be the big fraction. So the 2 will be greater than 3. Okay, let's see question number 2 here. We have 2 over 5 and 2 over 7. Yeah, miss, it's the same. Yeah, super. So we have two numbers in the denominator are equal. So we will look down. And when we look down, the fraction became what? Yeah, became crazy. What we mean about that? We mean the small number will be the big fraction. Super. Let's continue. Let's see question number 3. Here we have 4 over 9 and the other side we have 2 over 3. So, can you tell me, do we have the same number or different? Yeah, it's different numbers. And when we have different numbers, what should we do? Super, we should make multiply. We should make cross. So, 3 will goes to 4. So, 3 times 4 equal 12. And 9 will go to 2. 9 times 2 equal 18. So, which is bigger, 12 or 18? Of course, 18. Great job. Let's see question number 4. Miss, it's different numbers too. Okay. So, that will be easy because you already answered the same idea. Yeah, I know. So, let's make cross together. Super. 4 will go to 2. 4 times 2 equal 8. And 5 will go to 3. 5 times 3 equal 15. So here we have 8, and the other side we have 15. Of course, 15 greater than 8. Let's continue. Let's see question number 17. Okay guys, now I need from you to stop the video, try to solve number 17 and 18 alone, then play the video again, comparing your answer with mine. But before you do that, I'm sure that your answer will be correct because it's super. Okay? I'm waiting for you. Stop the video now. Okay guys, welcome back. So let's see. Here we have 1 over 4. The other side we have 5 over 15. It's different numbers. So what should we do? We will make cross. So 16 times 1 equals 16. And 4 times 5 equal 20. So 20 is greater than 16. Let's see question number 18. We have here different numbers too, so we will make cross. So 10 times 3 equals 30. And 5 times 7 equal what? 35. So which one is bigger here, 30 or 35? 35. Great job. Okay, let's see question number 19. Here he wants from you to order from least to the greatest. So he wants from you to search for the small fraction. Well, here we will look up or down. We will look down because the numbers in the denominator are the same. So we will look for different numbers that will be down. Okay, can you tell me when we look down, the fractions became what? Yeah, it became crazy. So when we look down, the small number will be big fraction and the big number will be small fraction. And we want to search for the small fraction. So that means we will search for big number down. So that will be 1 over 5. What you take it, cancel. Then we have 1 over 4 and 1 over 2. Which fraction of that are the small? Yeah, that will be 1 over 4. Great. And the last one will be 1 over 2. Great job. Okay, let's see question number 23. You want from me to order from greatest to the least. So you will search for the big fraction. To find the big fraction here, we must have the same number in the denominator or the same number in the denominator. But if you look carefully here, you will see that the number in the denominators are different and the number in the denominator are different too. So the number in numerator different and denominator different. So what we have to do here, all what you have, just make all numbers in the denominator the same number. How that? You will ask yourself, if you save the timetable very well, you will ask yourself, I need a number that I can change the three numbers here into this number. So for example, I need number that I can change 2 for this number, 3 for this number, and 4 for this number. So if you save the times table very well, you can tell me in just direct way, Miss, we will change the 3 number here to number 12. How that? Because I can change 2 to 12 by make it times 6, and we can change 3 to 12 by make it times 4, and we can change 4 to 12 when we make it times 3. So when we change the 3 number for the same number, now it will be so easy to compare or to make the order for this fraction. So here I will make the 3 fraction with 12 in the denominator. Okay, so 2 I will make it times 6, and don't forget, like we do down, we will do it up. So 2 times 6 equals 12, and 1 times 6 equals 6. Let's see the next fraction here, 2 over 3. We will make it times 4 to have 12 in denominator. So 3 times 4 equals 12, and 2 times 4 equals 8. The last fraction here is 3 over 4. So I will make it times 3 to change 4 to be 12. And like we do down, we'll do it up. So 3 times 3 equals 9. Here he wants from you to order from greatest to the least. So I will search for the big fraction. So we will look up. When we look up, it's normal. Big number, big fraction. We have 9, we have 8, and 6. So of course the big fraction will be 9 over 12. That's 3 over 4. We will write it in its in the normal way, or the original view, or the original fraction. Okay, so that will be 3 over 4. The next one here we have 8 and 6. So 8 greater than 6, so that will be 2 over 3. And the last one will be half. Okay. Okay, so we can solve it in this way if we know the timetable in good way. What if we don't save the timetable, or we don't know the number that's able that I can change the whole numbers or all number that we have for this number? What we can do in this case? We will leave the question? No, you can make times. How that? All what you have, make times for the 3 number that you have in denominator. So for example here, let me write the question again for you. We have half 2 over 3 and 3 over 4, right? Let me change the color for you. Okay. So Miss, I don't know number that I can change the 3 number in denominator for this number. All what you have, make times for the number in down. So you will make times for the 3 number here. 2 times 3 equals 6, and 6 times 4 equals 24. When you make times for all numbers in denominator, you will get a number that you're able to change all number in denominator for this number. So if I want to change 2 for 24, so the number in denominator will be 24. So I will make 3 fraction with 24 in denominator. Okay. So if I want to change 2 to 24, I will make it times 12. 1 times 12 equals 12. Let's see here, 3. If I want to change 3 to 24, I will make it times 8. And like I do down, I will do it up. I will make it up times 8, so that will be 2 times 8 equals 16. And here we have 4. To change it to 24, we will make it times 6. Like we do down, we'll do it up. 3 times 6 equal 18. So if we want to make comparing, or if we want to order from greatest to the least, you will look for the number in numerator. Here we have 12, 16, and 18. So of course 18 is the big one, so that will be 1. Then we have 16 and 12. Of course 16 is the biggest, that will be 2. And of course the last fraction would be the third one. And if you look for the order, it's the same like the first way we answer. So in math, we can solve any question by a lot of ways. So choose whatever the way that you like it, or you see it's easy for you. Okay, so you can answer in any way that you like it. Let's see the next question. Question number 24. Here he wants from you to order from greatest to the least. So here we have 4 over 9, 2 over 9, 5 over 9. He gave you already the number in denominator the same, so you will make only the order. That's so easy question. So now stop the video, answer this question alone, and I'm waiting for you. Okay حبايبي, welcome back. So can you tell me which fraction of that is the biggest one? Super, I can hear you. That will be 5 over 9, because the 5 here is the biggest number. Then we have 4 and 2. Yeah, then 4 over 9, and the last one will be 2 over 9. Great job, حبايبي. Let's continue. Let's see question number 27. Here he wants from you to solve this question. Okay, here he tells you that Sandra eats 1 over 6 of cake. Pat eats 1 over 3 of the same cake. Who eats more cake? So we want to know which fraction of that is the biggest one. So the first one here, it's 1 over 6. The second, 1 over 3. And yeah, super, I can hear you. Great job. You tell me that, Miss, the number in numerator is the same, right? So we will look down, and when we look down, the fraction became crazy. That's mean the small number will be the big fraction. Great job. So which is bigger, 1 over 6 or 1 over 3? Yeah, that will be 1 over 3. Super. And now حبايبي, we finish our session. I hope you understand the lesson. So bye, and see you next time inshallah. Bye.